Welcome to the online classes of Dipol School Joshipur. Today we will read about SST of class 2. This is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 2. In the previous class we studied about our body parts and how they help them in different works. Today we will read about our sense organs. So come to page 18. So our body has 5 sense organs that helps us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. And these are our eyes, nose, skin, ear and tongue. So let us discuss one by one. First one is eyes. Okay, so you see, all of us have two eyes, and with our eyes, what are the things that we do? We see things far and near with our eyes. We can sense the things which are present far from us or near us by our eyes. By using our eyes, we can read and also we can write. Then comes our ears. So we have two ears, and with the help of ears we listen different sounds. We listen the sounds of birds chirping, the sound of animals, the songs, different stories which are told to us by our grandparents, and many more things. We can listen only by the help of our ears. Then comes our nose. So we have one nose also, and our nose helps us in two ways. One is breathing and one is smelling. So breathing, taking oxygen, taking air into the lungs and releasing the carbon dioxide through the nose. This is called breathing. And smelling also, we can smell good things. We can detect any smell by smelling it with our nose. We can say it is a good smell, it is bad, it is foul, like this, only by our nose. Then next comes our tongue. It helps us in tasting, licking, swallowing and for speech. Our tongue has various works. We can taste, we can say the taste of the food, whether it is sweet, whether it is sour, whether it is bitter, or whether it is with burning sensation. We can say only by tasting with our tongue. We can lick also with our tongue. Our tongue is the only one part which is present inside our mouth that helps us to swallow our food. After chewing by the teeth, when the food is crushed into small particles, it will be swallowed through the esophagus only by the help of our tongue. And also our tongue is the only body part that helps us to speak the words that we use every day. Then next comes the skin. It enables us to feel pain, heat, cold, etc. It is natural outer covering of our body. The all from head to feet. The natural outer covering, the outer skin of our body from head to feet. This is called skin, and it is the only part of our body the sense organ of our body which helps us to feel the pain. If someone beat us, we feel pain and say, ah, that is only by our skin. We can touch anything and say that it is hot or it is cold only by our skin. In any part of our body, if something hot is, if any part of our body will touch something hot or something cold, we can easily know that it is hot or it is cold. So skin is the part or sense organ that enables us to feel the pain, heat, cold, etc. So this much for today, and in the next class we will study the next lesson. Thank you.